We're back and we've been working around the house and getting things done and set up. And today we are putting up our window treatment. So I wanted to share that with you. So we've been working and getting things done around the house. And here we are adding the window treatments to our front guest bedroom. And of course we've done it all over the house, but wanted to show you how we did the install. So here he's just measuring the window, and we are using the Levolor cordless faux wood blinds in the color greige. And I chose greige, it's a mix of gray and beige, because the outside of the house being black, I thought that it would be better to have a more neutral tone instead of the stark white blinds. So that's why I chose that color. And I like the way it turned out. So here, when you get the blinds, you can, we bought them at Lowe's, and you can take them to the counter in that section, and they will trim the blinds for you once you have your measurements and you know what size you need. If it's not the exact size, they'll trim it for you there in the store. So all of the installation pieces come in the top of the blind once you open the package, and it makes it really easy for installation. So here he's just measuring where the brackets will go, and then he'll drill them into the wall. He's just having a little fun. We enjoy working together. And it's been really nice to get things done around the house and just getting things set up again. And it's just a beautiful day. It's such a nice breeze. Those roses are blooming so well. And it's a beautiful blue sky fall day today. And there's Marley. He's always close by when we're working or whenever we're around the house. Just cleaning the window, installing the blind into the brackets. He's going to add the wand to open and close it, and also the valance at the top. And these are cordless, so you just pull them up, push them up or pull them down. Job well done. First one down. Now number 2. So this blind we got from blinds.com. We had to do a special order for this blind because it's such a large, oversized window. The measurements for this window was 70 by 94 inches. So they didn't have those at Lowe's, and you couldn't custom order them from Levolor. So we did a custom order from blinds.com. And luckily we got a color that's very close to the color that we got in the Levolor blinds. So just finishing up looking at those instructions. And now he's going to add the brackets. And this blind was pretty heavy because it was such an oversized blind. So he got that in, adding the wand, and now we're just cleaning up from the drill, making a little dust from the install. A little elbow grease. And it's in. We've really enjoyed being able to work together. Woo! So we finished, guys. We got the blinds up in the guest room and they look great. I'm so glad we were able to get those done. And we're just loving our home and being able to take care of things just a little bit at a time. So now we're going into the other guest room, or the other room in the back. And it was a guest room, but we're making it into a wellness room or a home gym. So we'll show you that in just a minute.